Hi everybody, this is Miss Jennifer with the Pioneer Library System. Today I'm going to show you how to do a tasty STEAM project. But first, let me introduce you to my handy helper, Knuckles. Say hello, Knuckles.
Hello, how you doing?
Today we're going to be making Tangram cookies. No one knows for certain where the name Tangram comes from, but some people think it originated with the Tonka people of China. These people lived near the water and traded goods with Western sailors. The sailors and the Tonka traders sometimes played with the puzzle pieces we call tangrams. Here's a list of all your ingredients. For a complete recipe, see the link below. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add your butter, dry ingredients, and egg. Mix until combined. How about a helping hand, Knuckles? Make sure your hands are squeaky clean and form the mixture into a ball with your hands. Now line the baking pan with some butter and press the dough into the pan. You can use a spatula or you can use those squeaky clean hands. With the help of your adult, cut it into a tangram shape. You can see the shape in the link below. There should be 7 complete pieces. Now have your adult slide it into the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. It's time for your adult to take that hot cookie out of the oven, test it with a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, it's ready. Right now, it's important to recut the shape and let it cool for about 20 minutes. After your cookie has cooled, flip it over, and now the real fun begins. Pour yourself a nice cold glass of milk and make yourself a camel. Or you can make yourself a cute little bunny, or maybe a sailboat. Don't forget Knuckles, he'd like a drink of that milk too. Today's recipe and many others like variable pizza pie, probability trail mix, and tessellating 2-color brownies can be found in Eat Your Math Homework, a cool book by McCallum. All you have to do is just use your library card, log on to pioneerlibrarysystem.org, and search for Eat Your Math Homework. This title can be found in Hoopla and is available all the time, every day. Check it out today and make some more yummy math homework. Thanks for joining me today. This has been Miss Jennifer and Knuckles with the Pioneer Library System. See you next time.